Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm joined by my brother. We have 5 minutes to do this video, so
yeah, because we're going
fingers crossed we get more. Because we're going swimming, as you can tell. I've got swimming costume underneath.
And swimming shorts.
And then I got my t-shirt. Pause. You gotta pause the screen before you look at this. Okay, so guys, we just come back from SMIGGLE because we needed some school supplies. I mean, well, we don't really have school supplies in our school, but we know this is for our homework. So, yeah. George is playing on his iPad right now, so that we've got enough time to show you everything. Hopefully. Let's take off the labels for some of these because we don't need them on. That's easy. Oh, we could have just done it. That makes more sense. So guys, it's like a soccer ball, or however you call it. We don't call it soccer balls, but you know. I said that because of most Americans watch videos.
It's a basketball.
Well, it's a basketball. So guys,
Evie, you need to open it. You need to open up that
so
part.
it like, yeah.
You need to open up that part and then you can put it back.
So it turns from a ball to this.
Oh, and also
So
look at this, guys.
Look
Look at this.
So we got this.
And you can take this off. So like it's a little calculator.
And then you got like.
And guess what it does? It switches on and off.
Okay, so we're gonna do 8 times 7 equals 56. I already knew that. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's all of George's stuff, I think. Yeah, I've got free stuff because first of all I had money to spend. George didn't. He just got free stuff. And then, so guys, this is my pencil. So guys, this is my pencil case. It's the exact same as George's, basically, except it doesn't have that on. It's just holographic and shiny because I love shiny things.
2 times.
And I'm pretty sure you don't want to know what's inside there because there's nothing inside. Next thing is the water bottle that goes with
24.
So I've got like the water bottle that goes with it. I love these two. This is nice. And guys, here's the final bit that I really like. So George, can you move away from it?
It's goo.
Okay, so it's. Look at that, guys. Whoa. Slime.
Times.
It's so fun. It's so clear, and then once you start playing with it, it's so never clear. Like, it's annoying watching it clear decay. So now it's got loads of bubbles in.
400 times.
It's not very stretchy, but it's
800.
nice and squishy.
3,000 and 2,000. 3,000,000 and 2,000.
Yeah, I think we need to.
Step it up.
It's 32,000, guys. It's not 3,002,000.
Oh.
Yeah, you haven't been taught lots of numbers. Indeed, guys, it's so fun to play with. So, I can't wait.
And you can even pop it back in play.
Yeah, so guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want us to do like any more videos like this. I won't be doing vlogs because I have to like video from my computer. So guys, because I have to video from my computer, that means I can't take my computer anywhere with me because I can't take it on airplanes. And this is like what my dad does, which is like because he needs to do work. Because he goes on airplanes to work, so he gets to take his computer. But guys, I'm not allowed to, so hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Me and George have enjoyed getting these things to show you guys for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please do give a like and subscribe to our channel because that would be a lot of help for us. Comment down below, guys, hashtag Evie Squad if you like my hashtag EV school supplies if you like my school supplies better. Hashtag George school supplies if you like my brother's school supplies.
And next video,
And
it's
so
gonna
guys,
be more extreme than you think.
okay, George, bye. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Bye. Oh wait, I've got to finish off this game. Oh, this is so hard. What button should I press next? Oh yes, the off button. Bye.